I told you that I was gonna make a song about us, so here I am making up a song about us. I told you that I was gonna make a song about us, so here I am making up a song about us. Yeah, and this is gonna be a long one. It's been 3 years, girl, I should start a journal. Damn girl, what a journey we've been through. Heaven and hell, but now where are we? We talk about it all the motherfucking time, and every time I give you the same lines. And baby girl, I promise I'm not lying. I just got writer's block, I can't think of the next line. And I ain't saying let it slide, but you know how things are right now. Let's take our time. I know it's already been too long, and I know things won't get better with just a song. But at least I'm trying. So stressed out sometimes I think about dying. I know you mad cause I don't share the pain, but don't your girls tell you not to let him drive you insane? I wouldn't wanna steer you wrong, babe. If you let me drive, we might end up going the wrong way. You know we're young, our lives are still on the highway. Yeah, I love you, I'll prove it or die trying. Yeah, happy early birthday. I wish I could be there, it'd be just like the old days. But I can't make it, I'm sorry, I love you, and let it be the best day. And you know I'm not done yet. I can write verses until the paper burning. But you know I'm still learning. I never been open with my heart, no surgeon. And right now I don't know what to say. It feels like I'm dying when I dream about the past. Like Freddie is haunting me, but it's not him, it's the stress and the memories. So I block it all out, pushing everything away, losing myself in the process. Scared of being obsessed, just to get hurt when you see I'm not the best. Man for your life, spark for your flame, wings for your fight, or that I'm not Drake or Wayne. I wanna be a superstar or Superman, but I just don't know if I can. Yeah, I wanna make you happy, and yeah, I wanna make you smile. Yeah, I wanna hold you in my arms while we float on the same cloud. Obviously, I can't sing, and I know I make things more complicated than they seem. Already having regrets about making this, cause you probably texting another nigga while playing this. There goes the past talking, but towards the future is where I'm walking. And babe, I promise I'll never leave you, or at least that's what I would like to believe too.